teacher Amy. I'm a professional music teacher. I teach piano and guitar until advanced level. And also, I can teach ukulele and violin for beginners only. I love playing music instruments, especially piano and guitar. And also, I can sing at the same time. And also, I love traveling. That's why the name of my YouTube channel is Musician Travelism. From Mondo K. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to play it very simple and easy. Left hand should be play only by single note only. Okay, the left hand was the one that has box. Okay, and then the right hand is the note on G clef. It already has the letters. You're not going to read it anymore because there's a letter. Okay, ready. Let's play here. I'm going to play it very slowly at first. Okay, F chord, middle C note, or middle C melody. Okay, ready? C, D, E, F, A, then B flat was here, so it goes down from A here, goes down, and then G minor. Okay, G with the left hand, then A, G, C with the left hand. Next, here, A lower and F chord, so F was here. A, B flat, C, same D, C sharp, D, F, G lower. So it goes down from F here, it goes down. G, left hand is also G. F, E with a C chord. Then F chord, left hand, C, D, E, F with a D chord, F, E, F, A, B flat and G, B flat, A, G, then A note, F chord, F left hand, A, B flat, C. Okay, sorry, we're not yet done on the last part. Okay. Okay, here, D, C sharp, D, F, and it goes down again. G, so the left hand should play here. G, then goes up, F, E with the A. Okay, then here, D chord, D left hand, F note. F, D, F. Okay, second. Okay, D minor. G, F, F, E, F. E, F, G, F, F, E, F with a G, left hand, then G again, left hand. With G again, left hand, E, F, D, higher D, A, G, F, same G, G, F, F, E, left hand C, E, D, D, D flat. D flat is the black key. Then C with the left hand F. C, D, then left hand D minor. F, E, F, A, B flat with a G. Yeah. A, G, then F left hand. A, it goes down. B flat A, D minor chord, D left hand. D, C sharp, D, F. It goes down again, the melody. G, same G, then goes up again. F, F, E with a A. E, then F, E, F, G, F, F, E, F, E, F, G, F, F, E, F, G left hand, E, F, G, F, C left hand, F, E, same F. Okay. Thank you for watching. Easy playing up more from Monsoon team. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you like my video music tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe, and also comment below, and also hit the notification button so you will be notified whenever I upload a music tutorial video. Your like, subscription, and comment will make a huge encouragement for me to pursue my music tutorial channel here in YouTube. And also, I will make a 30 music tutorial videos for 30 days starting today. And the next uploads after 30 music tutorial would be only twice or once a week. Thank you very much for watching.